Hi, this is Larry. This is me going to do a virtual contest on Biweekly Contest 87. I've been traveling a lot and finally back to New York, as you can see from the background and such, and the maybe slightly better lighting. I've been stuck on the plane for a long time, so this is the first time I've been able to do this contest. I'm a bit later than I am usually, but better late than never. Did they not update the description, or did they just miss the contest? I don't know if this was the case in previous ones, but I just noticed that this is the 84th bi-weekly, but then I don't know. The history of Leetcode Biweekly Contest does not interest me that much. So yeah, let's get started. Oh yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest and stuff. Yeah. So anyway, let me yeah, and each problem will have its own description, or have its own explanation. So check out in the description below, and yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, let me scroll down very slowly so I don't see the problem. That was actually a little bit fast, but okay. Because the thing is, if you see the problem name, it gives it away a little bit. I'm pretty sure that's how some people solve it, like solve problems that way. And for Q1 it's probably mostly okay. I don't know. Don't take my word for it. All right, am I ready? Yeah, let's go. Actually, let me move my iPad slightly out of the way so I have access to my paper and pencil. But ooh, drop some stuff. All right, drop some money. Nice free money. Okay, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Do, 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 do. Let's see. We have an Alice and Bob question for Q1. Okay. Okay. Leap years. Okay. Oh, okay. At least they give you the way. That's kind of good. But also, wow, what an annoying problem for Q1, right? How do you even do it? And what's the other one? Day. Something like that, and then oh, this is really annoying for Q1. Okay. Okay, so we turn. Hopefully that's right. I just do it lazily. Does it count inclusive? It is inclusive. Okay. This is really annoying for Q1. I know I said it like twice already, but it's still true. Hit 3 and 0. Well, huh? Is it this one? Okay, so then 360. Oh, I have to do this -1. Okay. Tell me why. No, okay, huh. Wow, this is Q1. 395, that's not right. Oh, because this month is 1 indexed. Silly Larry. No wrong answer, please. Yes, okay. At least I didn't waste that much time getting it wrong. Okay. Can match it with JPG. Okay. What's this, maximum bipartite matching type thing almost? Except for 10 to the 5. I mean, it's just sorting, but still, the way they did it is a little bit weird. What are we maximizing? I guess for each trainer, find the maximum player that it can train. I guess that's it, right? That's another way of phrasing it. For each so for each trainer, find the maximum. Okay. If this is bigger than trainers, then could have also done it without the deck, but otherwise, then alright. Okay. Smallest subarray with maximum. But is this going to be like a try thing again? Okay. What is n? N is 10 to the 5th. I didn't read it yet. Okay, from the minimum sized non-empty subarray of num starting at I. That what is this sentence? Why do you have a sentence that has like 40 words? What? Minimum size, what does that mean? Non-empty subarray of num starting at I that has the maximum possible bitwise OR. In other words, that be what? Who is reading this? Who writes this? Okay, B sub I is J, be the I'm too tired for this. Be the bitwise OR. You find a small subarray starting I such that the bitwise OR this is equal to maximum. So basically you try to get the round. Okay, maybe I get it, but it's still very weird. So you have to do it for each one. Okay. The maximum. 3, 1, or what does this mean? 2. This is a mouthful to read. Okay. The length of the minimum size subarray starting at I that has what is the maximum on? Is it maximum on all the numbers, or like should it be 3 for all of these, or just from I to K? This. What is K? Maximum bitwise for what? For the suffix, or it just happens to be? This is really confusing. Okay, let's maybe the second example will help. It's of length 2. Okay. The second example did not help. Okay, I mean, looking at, I think I have an interpretation of this, but I feel like in the regular contest I failed. That's why I'm trying to be a little bit more careful. But yeah, but the maximum bitwise flow is just, let's see, right? Just suffix, right? Something like this. Something like that, right? And then now we have to the whatever, and then now we have to go to see how far that goes to how far that goes to yeah, right? How far that extends. Let's see. So to get 3, so then it's the length either. So this suffix will get 3. This gets us 3. Don't know that I think the interpretation is maybe right, but now I don't know how to do it. For Q3, maybe I'm thinking of something dumb. 10 to the 5th, so you can't do anything that whatever. Can you do a binary search on each one? I don't think so. That'll be too long. So how people are doing? People already got this one, so well, people already finished, in fact. Okay, well, 24. Can I do it in a smarter way? Right, so 1 does not include the prefix, but well, here it doesn't include either, right? And then this. Now let's say we would put a 3, then we just need a 1. I see. So it should be a sliding window then. Wow, what a hard way to do a sliding window. The idea is that the rightmost is going to be max, and then we take a max here, and then you go either 1 is not needed or needed. If 1 is not needed, then you increase. Otherwise, you try to shrink. Is that right? I mean, it's right, but how do I do it in a consistent way? And then 2, 1, we go okay. And then there's at most 30 bits. So, 30 bits. Is that really right? I mean, that should be right, but it's still way hard. Okay. Let's give it a try. I'm not super confident. 30 times 10 to the 5th is a little bit big, but maybe not. Maybe Leetcode is just being silly. But can I do it with bitwise only? I guess I can. Just more keep tracking. Okay, fine. Whatever. So I don't have to keep on doing weird stuff with the. Right. So we have suffix of I. Best, but I don't even think that's quite whatever. But okay, so we have a two, and then maybe the current bit mask is 0 to 0, and then now we pause this one. Okay. Okay, and then now we want to say if current while current is equal to suffix of I, we can actually keep this as a rolling max anyway, but that's, yeah, we don't really need this. I guess we can do something like I should have done it forwards actually, but just because this is now confusing. But okay, so while this is true, we want to slide the window to the left. Okay. I guess this is yeah, okay, fine. So now we slide to the left. This may time out. I actually honestly do not know if it doesn't or not, because Leetcode is not consistent about it. And then okay, and then right. Something like that. It may be off by 1 here, to be honest, but I don't think that's right, because basically we're doing the, it's not off by 1 the way that I expect, but I think my thing is that the right is exclusive, so it should be, I don't know, this seems so error prone. I don't even know if this can possibly be true, but it does match the input, so let's give it YOLO submit. Okay, this is the second time in the day that I miss a one example case, so that's actually pretty bad. Also because this is max, so this is why this doesn't roll off, but okay, is that even the right answer? I don't even know if this is the right answer. Oh yeah, it should be. Okay. Let's also just try another. Alright, let's give it a submit. Okay, that's not me, right? Server error? Does anyone see this? Okay. Okay, that wasn't that bad. That was actually not pretty bad. I mean, it is a problem. I don't know if a lot of people got it though, so maybe it was just me, or maybe there's an easier way. I don't know if my way is the way I prefer, because even I struggle with it. Okay, anyway, Q4, minimum money required before transaction. What does that mean? In some order. In order, that's all. Money. Cash back. Let's see. Is there an optimal way to vote this? So do we sort by cost minus cash back? I think probably. What do we want to do? We want cost minus cash back because then it's the most costly to do this one, right? So yeah, something like that. And then now we could just binary search, right? If this is true. Okay, let's try that. Let's just say 20 to be safe. I don't know, maybe too safe and maybe too slow, but you could probably maybe even, I don't know if this is true. If we can solve it using the mid, then we want a smaller number, and then okay, this is if we can solve it using this target, and then this is just for the cost cash back in transactions. Current is the target. Okay, so make sure. If current is less than cost, then we return false. Nope, the other way around. That's not right at all. It should be in any order. So why is this working for 0? Cost for 0. It should already be false unless my sorted. That's sorted the other way. Let's see. Maybe I just wrote the wrong way. 0, 3. Oh, I did. Because we want the most cost first, right? Why did I do it this way, huh? Whoopsie daisies. Okay, 9 and 3. Did I mess up my binary search? 3 seems okay. Why is 9 okay? Let's see. Maybe I misunderstood the problem. A lot of people seem to have gotten it, and also kind of quickly, to be honest. Maybe not. I don't know. So it thinks 9 is true. Why? Tell me why. Maybe I saw this one. Okay, let's see. So you have 9, it goes and 2. Okay, that seems right, but assuming that my logic is right. Oh, I see. Because if I do a 5, if I have 9, I have 4. No. If I have 9, I cost 5, I have $4. And then here, I do 2, and I add 1, I have $3 left. And then this is wrong. Huh. I thought that this would be right. This is why greedy problems are so hard. Huh. Didn't, to be honest, did not expect this. So, what makes it good? I'm trying to think about the properties that make this good for 9 that isn't the case for the other direction. So you have 4, you have 2, and then you have 4, and then you use 2. So then now this is now 3. Even though this is -2 on the 4, this is, wow, why is this, well, that's wrong. I sort by cash back. This feels like a YOLO though, to be honest. Like, if I sort by cash back, is that good? Nope, even worse. Why did I get rid of the print? Oh, did I just have a typo? I think I have a typo. Whoops. Is that good enough? I mean, it may be right. I just don't know the proof. Is the proof YOLO? Why is it that you can cause the... I'm going to YOLO just because I have no idea. I'm not confident about this at all, though. Okay. What's my print statement? I don't know how to do this. I don't think. There was a lot of people got this. Oh no, wait. Maybe I lied. Okay, some people got this. It's gettable. Phantom 112. Okay, so this is just sorted by... Why is 21 okay, not 24? What is the worst case here? Because I think figuring out what to greedy on is allows us to binary searchable. But 21 clearly, if we sort by cash back, why? Unless you do binary search on all 3 and then just greedy, but now that doesn't make sense. There's some local things. I don't know that I know how to solve this one, but a lot of people did, I guess. Wow. Actually kind of impressed. N is 10 to the 5th, so I don't think there's any DP solutions. Well, it's not I would have thought that this works, but what is it about having 2 and 1 first if it's not the cash back? 9. Okay, let's reduce this a little bit then. Because this clearly doesn't matter. Though I should still have it here as an input, I guess, for later. So what makes this answer 4? But if you did it the other way, 4, it goes to 2, and then you get 1 back in it. So that's not good. Is there some exchange principle? What is the exchange principle for this one? I forgot how to write it too. It's like no, sort by comparison. It's like I forget how to write it in Python. Not gonna lie. Okay, because I know I only forgot about it because I know that's something ridiculous, but let's just say compare, and then you okay. Basically, is saying if I do this first, then I need the cash back. So then it is how do I express this more precisely? So okay, so if I do 2 1 1 2, then the idea is that maybe I could just simulate it. Maybe I don't need to be that confusing. But if I have 0, then it would cost go -2 plus 1 is -1, and then the delta is 5, right? So maybe it's something like a sub 0 minus a sub 0 plus a sub 1 minus b sub 0. We compare that to, how do I write this comparator again? So we compare this to something like that. Well, these 3 are right, but this one is really wrong. So, It may be that this isn't, maybe I'm missing something to also I'm sure that this kind of reduced some stuff. I think this reduced by sorting to by the other one, but can't really prove it. I don't know that this is stable as well, so that maybe that's why this is giving me issues. But now this is just seems like it's sorting by thingy, by the pay cash back, which is what I did anyway. Though except for now is a much weirder way. Still maybe the exchange principle, but maybe I wrote it in a weird way. So basically, requirement of this would be 5. Can I do a binary search on the exchange principle? Figure out the answer to this? Maybe, but that's just ridiculous, right? We can just work it out backwards. So the requirement of this before this is going to be okay, so 4, we get 3. This is 5, right? So it's just b sub 0 minus this, but this is just subtract of whatever we had here. Yeah, I think this is just the inverse of what I had, so that doesn't make sense. How much time do I have left? Because I didn't start at a reasonable. Oops. 54 minutes, huh? So I have time. I just don't know how to do it. Kind of disheartening that 18,000 or 1,800 people solved this. But the exchange does goes to the other one, but then it's just clearly not right, especially this one. But it just means that it's not transitive, or it's probably not transitive, or at least the tie breaking isn't sensitive, because I think it compares some stuff to zero to equal. Because I guess this and this. Is this stable? Maybe, maybe not. What is the ordering? Again, why is the 2142 case so weird? I thought I could just read on the other thing, but and why is this really wrong? Yeah, it's the other way. Whoops. Maybe I'm wrong on that one. Maybe it doesn't matter. I actually did wanted the 8 to go before the 0, but maybe that doesn't matter. Well, it does clearly matter somewhere. No, do you? And it does reduce this and then just this. But then this is wrong for this case. Why do I keep taking out the print? I haven't solved it yet. Which case is wrong here? That gives me the more. You always want the cost first with the benefits last, but man, not getting that Q3 quickly kind of bite me in the butt. Also one wrong answer. Is there an easier way to do Q3? Apparently. Well, clearly you want to do all the ones first. Can I do induction on that? Why? What is wrong with this one? But do you always want these cashback ones? Clearly not, because this is showing me the wrong answer. How do I get an answer that's slightly wrong in the same idea? Well, this seems clearly wrong. Oh, no. It's cashback. I got them wrong, the wrong idea. Okay, this is clearly right. And what is the case that I'm looking for? Something that costs a lot. Have something like this. Yeah, 9 first. But what if I have a 6 here? Oh no, wait, the other way. What if I have a 6 here? Do I still want the 9 first? Now it's going to be a 7 because now clearly you still want this one first, because then the 7 will not pass. So what's special about this one? It's still the exchange principle. Maybe I'm just not doing it right. Doing it right. Oh, I didn't do it right the first time. Let's see. Okay, I mean, it's good that we have a case that's clearly wrong. Okay, so how do we figure it out? Well, if we do this one first, what do we need? We need 3, 4, well, we need 7, I guess. That's why we have 7. So we have 7, and then here, the other way, we need a 9, 6, and just a 7 and a 9. Maybe I just need it to be more intricate. Okay, so if okay, let's just write it out. A first. So then here we have the needed is equal to a sub 0 first, and then right at that you have a sub 0. Let's say you start a sub 0 money, you spend it, so now and then you get cash back, and then so is there only two numbers where this suffice? No, there's more. It's even in this case. Okay, how do I get 7? Right. Okay, you start at 3. Okay, let's say you do it in this order, and my brain is not very functional. So it's -3 plus 5 is 2, and then you have 7, right? So let's say we do it this way. So a first we have you have b1 b0 minus a z no, it's plus minus a1, but it's also something like, so it's either this or a0 in general. So a needed maybe, and then it's the other way around for so we needed a more, then we return -1 because a is better. I always return 1. Did I mess up how to write this? Oh, whoops. Okay, now it's right, but I guess I just didn't write the formula quite right the first time. Let's try it again. After taking out the print statement. A big wrong answer is pretty tough. Got a little bit closer though. Does it tell you how many? Okay. Wow, I don't know that I know how to do this one. Yikes. And you have all these cases where the cashback doesn't really matter, does it? No. So this is a little bit better, but am I missing a case in my sorting? Thing is, I don't know how to get the best answer from this. If not, or rather, I don't know how to find a smaller case in which this is wrong. I guess we can brute force this. 42 minutes. Okay. What is this n? So we can't really do n factorial. Huh. Well, that's rolling. Well, So I think it's 260, but there's a case in which you can sort this such that it takes 290. Okay. if I slowly take out numbers, doesn't matter. Like the 94, 94, that doesn't seem very helpful, but maybe my assumption is wrong on that one. It is, in fact, that does come into play. Why does that increase by 4 or by 3? Oh, my answer. I don't know what the right answer is now, so. I guess it's just that this string is less than 94, so okay. Maybe we don't take that out then. But we should be able to take out a 62, right? Still get the same wrong answer. What? It should not be the case that you take out a number and get... The more constraints should always have a worse number, right? So that's just weird. I see. Like, so this sorting is not stable. That's the problem. So here you see that you have this thing, but once you take out the 62, it's sorted the other way. So that's why. It's either that or it's just not stable. Meaning that this is, it thinks that these are the same, but they're not. Maybe. This thing is 94. I'm also very tired. Maybe I should have done this tomorrow instead. This thing is 104, which lies to... So that means that the way that we did the exchange argument is it's a bit incorrect, because it's either that or things they're equal. Maybe that's why. Let's see. Yeah, because it thinks that they're equal for the other ones. That's why. So then it just assumed through the transitive property that they were equal. We can't really do an n square sort. So that means that this sorting right now is not stable. Well, not that stable means something else. Sorry, it means that it's not transitive. So the transitive property doesn't hold. So then you can't really sort by this. Huh. How do you do it? Why is this different from... Oh, because it gets dominated by the 91. But if you look at it directly, it does not any longer get dominated by 91. Huh. So it's not the exchange principle. Wow. Or at least not quite like this. Both need 94. Both need 91. But you put them together and you need more. Because this thing. Wow, I really don't know how to do this one. Am I wrong on the sorting? Is there any other cool way of doing it? Okay, given target a map, is there any way I can just look at? Okay. let's say I have 7, right? Take the biggest, that's 5, and then it fails. Can I do n log square n? I think maybe too slow. Do I just want the cost? No, because one of the higher costs could give like a huge number back, right? In fact, the 2-1 is the one that failed, because if we do the 4 first, it only requires 4, and then if we do the 2 first, it requires 5. But can we also just... Huh. There must be an easier one than this, but way of thinking about it. Man, I am not solving this. Yikes. Can I have a number and then try to find the worst every time? Max is definitely awkward though, but it's still, if I do it this way, it would be wrong as well. Am I stuck in a way? Can I figure out a better way of doing it? Okay, let's say I have $4. If I do a search on this, I would just have, I don't know how I can get, let's say I have $4. Is it just here we need 3, something like that maybe? I'm just playing around with different things. I don't even know if this is true, to be honest. No, that's not really right, is it? So at least it's consistent now, which is good. But very well, which is not so good. Hmm. Oh, this was probably right. But why is this only 2? Oh, because it goes into 2 and then da. Why is this one so weird though? Okay, well, but still well. I was hoping, just trying to see. I'm running out of ideas, to be honest. Because I'm good that I missed the point on this one. I mean, I don't even have any ideas to play with now, to be honest. Otherwise, I would try different things. I mean, I have some wrong cases, but I just don't even know how they apply. So this one we know, and then we have these 3 where we know that it cannot be, they're not transitive. But then how would you sort them in a good way? Wait. Can we throw away any transactions? Well, the one that gives you money, like net positive, you never want to do anyway. But I don't think that's the issue that we're facing, so I don't think that matters. Well, that's not true per se. Because you can imagine like a big number and you still need a big number to start off. This is definitely 104 though, or something like that. Yeah. I have no idea. And the numbers don't have to be one of the inputs. Oh, Is it something silly like only one number doesn't, only one cashback doesn't matter? If that's the case, that'll be very sad. I don't know what I'm doing. And if the only one cashback doesn't matter, and you want the biggest cashback, right? That doesn't give me the answer though, does it? Does the order still does the order matter? I'm just so confused right now. Okay. Well, is it true that no? Well, Okay, so only one cashback doesn't matter. Maybe that's another observation. How do I use that observation, right? Meaning that that transaction is the last one. Can I brute force on that? And so then it's 4 minus this. How much time do I have left? 25 minutes. Well, might as well give it a try then. Okay, what would that look like? Well, you just sum up the total. So then 4. It would be. Wait, no. Oops. I guess we just do this. What am I doing? So we just sum up all the previous deltas minus this. Okay, let's just see. Right. And then now the current delta is back. So then we have delta minus the current delta plus cost. That's not quite right. Obviously, but so this is, well, let's print some stuff out. Maybe I just some signs. Well, I'm just trying different things, to be honest. I don't know that I have any idea here. Okay, so the delta, this is wrong. This is -1 and -2, so this should be, okay, so delta is -3. That's correct, actually. So then now we want to subtract one of the deltas. So I'm going to subtract this delta. So then we have -1, and then we have -1 plus TC. No, plus cost. -1, and I get 3. Maybe my signs are wrong. We have -3. Yeah, maybe something like this. Maybe delta is always negative. Well, that's not true. I'm really weird. Okay, it finally fixed this one, and but not the other one, so it's not very helpful. I don't even remember what I'm doing with these other problems anymore, so that's also a problem. Okay, so for this one, it thinks it's 9. Is that true? Yeah, it should be true. But definitely, we got these two correct, but not these two. I think it's like 270, something like this. Maybe that doesn't really work, because also this is not 9. I think this is 27 or 24. I think 24. What I think is 9 though. So maybe the order still matters, and I'm not being helpful that much. Okay, one cashback does not matter. What does that mean? What can I do to solve this? One cashback doesn't matter. If we sort by cashback, I guess that's essentially what we're doing if we try to do greedy. So we already had that previously. Wow, maybe I just don't know how to do this one. Been struggling on this one for a while. A lot of people have gotten it. People got it in 2 minutes. Okay, so maybe that observation doesn't do anything. Though it did finally get these two, but even this one is not just, well, yeah, maybe not, but because you have all these 0.9s, but you have positive delta ones, and that's why it's a little bit awkward because it cancels out the impact even though it shouldn't. Oh no, the other way. I mixed up the numbers again, but nonetheless. But you have this 0.9, 0.4, and it's canceling out the impact too much. Why? How does this? Okay, so let's say we do sort by whatever. Can I brute force not doing one of them? N times. No, that's too many, right? That's n squared log n. No, that can't be. ifram. Wow. Maybe I shouldn't be that. Oops. Is there any other observations I can make? How many comparisons are there? Can I do binary search and order comparisons? No, because there's some like weird, and you can't really. Do a stable n square sort. Huh, what am I missing? Sad Larry. The reason this is wrong is because of these two, which is yeah. That doesn't change anything though. I mean, I may get a little bit luckier, but yeah, better lucky than good. It's gonna give me a wrong answer on something big, I guess. Time limit exceeded? Do I have a print statement that I forgot? That is actually not one of the things I considered. It's just sorting. Why is it? Oh, What is the answer on this one? Okay. So I guess we don't need this to be that big, so. Oh wait, this is 10 to the 9, right? So there's no way that'll be definitely too small. 10 to the 13 maybe. Spare some cycles. What is it? 10 to the 9, 5th, so actually probably like 15. Spare me like 20 loops or so. Something like that. Maybe not. Maybe the server is just not consistent and giving me the timing. Oops. Alright, let's give it a YOLO submit. I mean, it's not a wrong answer at least, but I might get another time limit exceeded. I thought I had this. Oh, I guess I didn't do the tie breaking. I didn't get the equal case. So what I did was if they're equal, I make the cost more one goes first. But honestly, I don't know how I can prove this. Like I'm not really I mean this maybe this is like related to the solution, but honestly this is a Hail Mary and that I just kind of YOLO guessed like this portion. But I'm not really quite happy about it. Yeah, I'm just trying to think about this one. Sorry, friends. I mean, for me, the learning is more important than the AC, and I kind of guessed this one really. Actually, I don't even know if this makes sense. Maybe it does a little. No. I mean, okay, fine. If they both return the same requirement, we greedily put the costlier one first, which makes sense, I guess. But it's not in, like, I can maybe can see why this makes sense, but I cannot, or like, I can see why I needed to do the step that I needed to do, but not proof that that's sufficient, right? Like that, why there not more steps? Um, I mean, that's the thing that I'm struggling with that part. Maybe I'm just like for every 400, 500. How did people? Wow, I mean, a lot of people got this one. Though to be fair, like, well, one of this was a TLE, which is kind of. Though yeah, I maybe this doesn't need to be a binary search though, to be honest. But was it just working backwards now that you have this sort? But still, well, I guess it makes it like 30 times slower with it. And maybe this doesn't even need to be 14. I wasn't sure if I needed more or whatever. Hmm. Um. Anyway, that's all I have for this recording of the virtual contest. I don't know when. I mean, I guess there's some penalties for this to drop, but with a lot of penalties. Let me know what you think. As usual, there'll be explanations with each problem in another video, so check that out. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Later.